What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you how to change out the dome light bulb in 2004 to 2008 F150. Right now, as you can see, I've recently purchased blue light bulbs, and I just was kind of in between. Both of them are the Yita motor LED lights. Both of them I ordered from Amazon. I'm not sure which one I want to do, so I just ordered both. So I'm going to show you how to get the map light down and try to get it changed. First, take this guy, just pull the little tabs on the side and pull it on down. This probably works better with a screwdriver, flathead, or trim remover tool. But it pulls right down. You have these two tabs here. If you want to work a little easier, you can push this little tab here down, right there. I don't know if you can see it. You push that tab down and slide it out, so that way it's a little easier to work with. But just for intents, just for this video, just going to show you real quick. You just twist, come out, and pull out the bulb. And for the new one, just gonna open this guy up. Just open it up and get the sweet LED light goodness out of it. Clear those white. Let's see if I can do a quick side-by-side comparison, so I can make a decision as to which one I'm going to keep. But just push it back in. Just a little tab, twist. I will say that these may not be the best quality. Let's see. But that is side by side. And I think I'm even more confused. But that is the gist of how to change out the light bulb. The white is definitely more of a clean look. The blue, I think, I'm not sure if that's for me or not. I might end up sticking with the white just because I mainly just wanted a brighter bulb, and I think I might get that out of that. But please feel free to leave a comment with questions. Like a Hellcat.